Yamamo akwaba. Afitu mekane share yen ewo Facebook and afinsi YouTube. Champion Taylor Damenti odian namso kasebon ho mfoni ni video sa wodo nyina ka ho a wobenya bi ahwem. Yensha kasebon ase FM free mantemu mekire Central Region ewa wahusemu. Na enkra beto deal kasebon so awiai echirimam. Enipa maako mienu 12. Eno mu nyina pra mo pra na no odin ye pam. Asisi amekese omo eda Nhyiraba Trauma and Specialized Hospital. Emperefo gina won so ebo mo nkwa ho pan. Na de ekofa oprade ba yina ne sen. Lole nkwanhia esi. No Toyota Voxy. Ana fei Nissan aya Atma ana fei nso Hyundai Elantra. Nkwanhia ne kosi ye wogomua amanfi. Nhyiraba ene mankesim kwantempon no so. Ene N1 highway no so a na nyasem kuma kram. Na hwehwemu ade ye kasebo aye no echirimam. Toyota Voxy no registration number no GN 9883-25 no America tentapam na okwa sign Nissan aya Atma no ho na America wode no na make say Nissan so no registration number no GW 1895-09 chesene Voxy no driver na America tenta wode any wrong overtake no kwaye no na nam so am ekofa nkwanhia etibaye na enkane kiremu a emla nkwanhia ne ba yepe na Hyundai Elantra bi so dimirika tenta ono so enam kwantempo ono so ekọ nim hwe onim de asi ono so registration number no GR 1972-15 Edison's Corp Ball Toyota Voxy ni mu a make say de emani pa mako enson a na wonom ewo Toyota Voxy ni mu de chese epro mu praye no na nyasem kuma kram eno wachina Nissan no so enipa mako enan 4 by na nom waka enim eno so enam se de ka na mo ayenti no na ese mpenefo twitwa ka no ansa na matuma yi ade hye na pie enam de senti omusu prayer omunyina da aka ho a enipa mako tumienu omunyina da aresabia mpenefo ejina wonom so na nka beto je kire mi se Ghana National Fire Service enkra bata no wa pam na mbo modin tu anamu mu ha mbo modin akopie ho no ma wonom kwboa yakotwe prefo nyina don kopie mum ewo Nhyiraba Trauma and Specialist Hospital make say ade da ho no ma a doctor for ejina wonom so na uba Facebook no so ai DLFM 106.9 Champion Taylor Damenti yedemfoni na gusu na wa uba behu say yes adwonko entika pa na awie sei Ghana yede yankwa grato prampa ni yenkwati ahunu ahudo be atwagu ye mankwanhia no esiye me so forget sika mo forget also down
DLFM 106.9
Vamos comer, cara. Vamos comer. Can you overtake? So you need to share. You guys say na member.
Entika pa na
DLFM 106.9
Mr. Kubika, but
yo ochiamia ni mwasem ka osena na wasuma enti enre ahodo atwagu yei ayade hia wonim kopie mu ewogomu amamfi biaya enkwanhia si a ahye mako miensa de akoye ntamu a enipa mako dumienu no mo pepra mekasai wonom edaire sabia a doctor for ejina wonom so na uba Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 ya de humfo ni nyina guso sanso na wokọ DLFM online na wobetumi enyansam ni nyina bi nso akenkan yento akasebo no eso
Yentoa Kasieboni Sona Minister for Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Ahmed Ibrahim, Ede Ayan and Wajin, Mentemi Wasi Akoso, Sunyane, Traditional Council, Hinsi, who took a Koso Hono, Sanya Bayon Betimi, na Sumjian Suno, Etimi Akoso, Ewaho, Naya Dia Mentemi Wasano, Akoso, Ewananahima, Yana Kosia Gia, Aso Sikabra, ono etoso mienu sanso anoyen foforo masi no oye odefo oji amansan buahen kokko toso mienu entem sa mente me ho ase na yade aseye no ebo ne homodin de nhihye pagu akwam se ne ebe yo betimi aso ano na ye nipa mienu na age atu se ye boso me santem de ombetimi aboa na nsiesie no etimi akoso na nsemtwefo edu ye unity press conference no koso ana ye acting president Edima Sunyani Traditional Council eye Nana Kwadwo Sammy otoso mienu edi tudwa na ochemu se eye ade anana hema krampo no motwe ne sign na sese de omayi twe sign no ede afri ne so omosanso di ne dibie edimi ede amano eye nana hema mie enanya omoso ka ho so no mudi omudibie etimi ede amawom no sanso ede tudwa echemu se sese de odefo oji amansan bo ahen kokotoso mienu ono a da so eye ohen kopem se eye ahenfo ene eye judicial committee for bebo modin aye nhwehwemu ehu nipa a wose otimi etena konya ne so de nsem say edituja
traditional council for that matter should be amai ye ni buo bi die na esepata bema onima na fe so e fonyo na ye butu no ye besan apaja asiko enti e no ye de hihye so di kan omo tuma ye no na tese ye ntimi anya ho hwe efiri mre na mo fra ye kosi na akwa ihia traditional council sa dwumadi no ye ho hwe hwe ma na ye dwumadi mi ensa buo bi ni dia ye ne be ma no ene ji a ye be ji na tu
DLFM 106.9
na ye ma me ye nya du ba bi o se de ni o ni bi se ye ni tu sa ye kan ye bo ifo bo kan e ma ya eto ki kama ba ka se ya ye bi me mo mo pe a sa se enti ye wie na je antasia ye djuma o ye ma te no wase na se emboni mu na ye hihye se enne kompia so sisi ehia na ye de ohima adwa ema
eni ya uti ye eye Nana Kwadwo Sammy otoso mienu ono anaye acting president Edima Sunyani Traditional Council
yanto akasebo no so ene ye monwura mu e my Ghana mampanin perma opota John Dramani Mahama kache na Ghana mampanin adensema tudwa echiremam wabode trimopo se enche biam wonder den krata bakwa akwadan o my Ghana yemase bedwa fie na o matumi atenase aye hyehye pa abo o my Ghana o manya nkasa nsase ho ban se beya enipa bia o munya kwanya besom o manya o madu furu penti wono mo nwene obia ho a o man nsase o mo ton no fofofo ma o mankasa ho o mu wie pe na mo afa kira koton no bode den adwiri sika de gom botom eba ne sa na o man enya de a na ye pani ye kura Ghana mampani de send to dwam na okopie mu e wo Zambia memu no ne Ghana fo mo ho no twetwe nkomo na Ghana mampani e kirem sem ono ankasa se o ye mampani ene nipa wo no mo som no obesre pa wa wuni mpa na bedwiri o man Ghana asase agu botom akoton wadie ne de Ghana tetena be ye osepo so wa hwe a wunya so dabre kura o mampani kirem sem obaba pa ba yokuo bi na wono matumi aboa ahwehwe wo man Ghana nsase ahodo nyina ye abade nyina mu ene enkrabo premantem ne mmea ahodo Ghana mantam mansini ene ne nkwa donkura nketo na akese nyina no obeto no bo asa hwehwe mu kama na asase bia ye oman nankasa asase no omanya ho nkratasem enya afi na bekọ lands commission ne wakọ wi asase na ho no maton fofofo ama ho da bida agye se watumi ehu asase ne wura ankasa eno wache nso agye masebadwafo ne nkrata no ne hyehye ombe ye ne samra no atime ya dwuma nsa watimi ato oman Ghana asase mekire state lands no na ntesa amanfo bi bu oman ekomu se dwen edi esika kwa eno watinin oman pani kiremu a ohwa ne mu se enche bia ade bi oya oman Ghana nkasa de no ese hu kuntabuo mapan ya dwuma na pro ne kan bi ne niam bi anipa bi ye no eto otumi twa na oman ye hotoye
to public lands. We set up a committee. They presented their report, and we've cancelled several leases that had not been processed yet. These were public lands that were just distributed and looted. I mean, people just carved up and bought for cheap. I mean, lands, there are people who buy a land, government land, at 150,000 cedis. And turn around and sell that same plot of land for $2 million. And these are lands in prime areas. And yet if you look at the value that they are giving and how much people buy them for and turn around and resell them. It just doesn't make sense at all. And so we've got a committee. They've mapped out, not only in Accra, all the regions, what the status of public lands are. In some places, people have finished building and are even living in the houses. It will be difficult to say, look, we're going to break this house and take the land back. And so in those cases where they have processed title, then what we're doing is we're asking them to pay the true value.
Any awoti ye Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama. Na enwachi no wachire mu so dabi ensem no wabono do so popa etemu se prema ni abomu no. Ni senti owobisa kan bio na yese mampeni de na eka akire. Ana wachire mebuo me na ade ba akon so opeso ye. Na odoboa oman Ghana yehumasua ne sen opese oboa pa na odi sikapuduo de hye oman Ghana yehumasuam titiru ne adesuam fitiase ene basic education no epese oboa pa efisa bandada ne baaye no de omani ko hu pa senior high de aka no mpanifo amfa anya hwe ntie ne efom na proper yaba modern accident de asiam nwema anya hwe ne dache betuma dwira gunti ontena so bobo ho ania na enkasa na aban kwa we 2028 de na Ghana adesuam fitiase aya kono no bia ni hono ma obetene nuase esua de wo manyim.
The basic school level has been neglected. The previous government focused just on SHS because it was their flagship program, free SHS. So you go to many schools and they had no textbooks, no school furniture. Children were sitting on the floor and learning. This year, we're going to provide 2 million pieces of school furniture, one by 2028.
DLFM
One by 2028 that no Ghanaian pupil will sit on the floor or lie on his stomach to write or to study in school.
Enwachi ene Ghana mampeni echiremu a mo a ode ma tototo aban enwuma no mekire chief executive officers no osere mo ada omo di bebe ma mo se mmodem mu nkonta na Ghana fo nyina hu na dwuma amudie ne mmodem mo se ekosen na sa wade teno wa wanya pa na bro dem no betwamu no Ghana be yo se poso dwuma obedi wo no bohu say yes na ni abere pa.
State-owned enterprises are turning around and making profits instead of losses. We are asking all of them. There are many state-owned enterprises who for 7 to 8 years have never produced an annual report. Meanwhile, it's obligatory for them to do it. This year, I said, woe betide any chief executive of a state-owned enterprise who by the end of April, which is the target date, has not done your audit and presented your annual reports. I won't say what will happen, but...
Aha, the better word the on canamum, a brennan casaba. Oh, aha, Danta way, a young roya. Aha, a chung roya and Pam Danta. Into Yamea Dominus a trainer, Rubia, Pam Danta, our boom say yes, a Becoana Enco. Now, the Quakramuno and a Ghana man penny to an cassa son which the mam. A dear Bakua, Eddie, a be mine pa bropa, Tituno, my Ghana, a pronic kind. Bakufonya Quenas or some menya, or Peso Mamma or the Diana Corn, Kutoni bottom. Nonya bi de twam punanya bi de hwe na busuan kuto na Ghana fo ade hye omo mamu huna manne e de adia ne santi ogina so agina na so pam obo ban pampe wo bibia wonim na abaye pro ne kankan so wona bam so ya banda da mu nipa oh ompa bada obakwa so atu wa kwa atu asiesie hukura na meboa ma o ma Ghana cheche ne mpuntu no etimi.
The other side and the governance on the reset agenda was accountability, and that is the fight against corruption. People who hold public trust must be accountable to the people. And a time was coming when there was such impunity in government. It was like people just went into politics and government to enrich themselves. And so every week, every fortnight, there was a major scandal, and that was part of the reason for the loss of trust in the political elite. And so it was necessary to come and bring that to order, and first of all to look at people who had abused the public trust and hold them accountable, but at the same time send a signal to our own people that if you cross the line like they have, you will also find yourself in the same position.
And no. Once also what lie now as a pam. And ya would ye your my Ghana Mampany, Parama of water, John Dramani Mahama.
Yentoa kasebone so na MF production for lanche eye dwumadie bi omato ni din se Christian Honest no no mo de ba be bom penifo mabomodin asomache e wo honhom fam e de ama oman Ghana mamputu atimi abam no ombetimi e de abom abaso no mo kasa e wo dwumadie na se na managing director e de ma MF production eye Kofi Podo edi tuja na oche museni suade hunu a eno ewo Christian Honest so no eye ade a mfimpimienu ne eye nkrunim ana mo hya ase a omoye omaje so mo di Christian Honest ibebo mabomode ade hyepa agu akwam afi de omatimi alanche eye Christian Honest yi no chema sa dwumadie we e ba beboa no matimi ahye man eye mema nsori na dwumadie ahodo nyina no omatimi abomodin a atimi ahyomani onyam besansa ya ade omabom homodin ye papa ewo hunhun fam aye dwumaden atimi e de ama oman Ghana no chema ye Christian Honest yin so beboa eye nnwumaku ahodo ye timamufo ani omatimi aboa ewo ye hunhun fam be ye mfirihia na aduasanum ekosi aduonan nim nina na ya de omebomode atimi ahyomani onyam esansa omatimi aboa ama oman Ghana nsumpuntuo etimi abemu na yeti maneda Christian Honest ne so say ye handling on the pillars of a reputation, recognition and ye integrity and omabomode ade ato so say yetima omodiama Christian Honest.
MF Production, we have instituted an honoring scheme, your friend Christian Honest, and it is to honor Christian men and women. Our impacting we, the nationals, and the nation as a whole over the past 40 years. We're very simple. We'll go onto our website, www.christianhonest.com. To enter categories. Categories. Will be adding say, oh, these are the nominees, Davy. Categories. Wo my microphone say, when it comes to compassionate Christian or it comes to health-oriented Christian organization, sorry way and papa way and mama way and I deserve say for the past 35-40 years na say to entry now you enter the names who we are and no the rest it will be done by the jury. After the jury is done, we'll come out with more Ghanaians believe that they deserve to be honored, and for each category there are now 5 individuals or institutions or organizations that have been nominated there. Until after that, the Ghanaian population will tell us, amongst the 5, Nipa way, onu no ojinemu, onu na oye ojinemu pa.
Enwechi ana Kofi Podo adi tuja ana ochemu se ade asa abasobode omode bema wo mi omde bema mpanifo a omaboa awadisuamu apomode ho nsem so sanso no mo omoboa nyamesemu ebanyom to ye creative art ani akandisem nyina ombebomoden atimi abomabaso na afiwe ye afimpimienu ne aduonu nsia ne mu de omayemu nchichemu no beye dumienu a omohwe so mbetimi abomabaso.
We one of the things I making sure say any award scheme need sometimes by heading but we know Ghanaians say let's honor you. So we are the one honoring you. It's not you who nominated you, it's Ghanaians who nominated you. Because most of the award scheme nominations now maybe me nominate me but we know my categories say Ghanaians why na ye fan share oh fashion now would ya show ya wonyama ya behwe say oh nipa no 35 years ampa the person has been active YSA ya makini nyina na nipa no we are nipa ni shehwa ya anano and again it is the motive. If it is sometimes these things are profit oriented and like the award schemes and all that. But
Eniya uti ye managing director Edema MF production Kofi Podo.
Yantua kasebon so na yemfe ne kiremu ewa asante mantemnem na make so asofo no hwe oman Ghana yensase na afi nso asase mododode de tin do numenyamfo Kofi amaboa obo no homaden atumi akopie mu wo ni Mount Ghana aso ya no asante mantem akobɔ adwumaden a kyese won maboa pa ma asase tama ni pa bi enam kuntu na se ekwakotufu magudie ewa yankoma se no wa amanse South Mansini mo santimental mu no wodo mo asase ne nyina pasa nti osoafo de abasobɔ pa de abɔ ni Mount Ghana mpanifo so mawomode agina mu na asase tam kese ente sana mawomode a etimi akatakata mu ne nyina so ne asase asan agina ne naso bio na wo kiremu a asase a ni Mount Ghana mpanifo atumi akatakata so ma asase ne ho da ho kama no ebe de say 2 hectares anya asase kumo galamsey fo na say ni nyina na wo kire ma na mompa omuto mma mmɔden akatakata mu na hoto am galamsey fo tutu no so na yade ani mond Ghana na fi so Ghana pan na akabom am wo mo ene eye RM fo mpanimfo na wonom ebo sa adwumaden na opani kire mu am ordinance akase pa de mani mond Ghana so ma mmɔden ata ba kire na mompa te se omotu na obesre ye nyina ye mo na nsase tam ahoto am enipa bi nam koti kwan so ese no ye mo ho ban efise Ghana mampeni onyo mampeni asabi ompese betufu magudi na momu ne betufu magudi am yentunu kwampa so sebe ye oman yebetumi akoye ne mu na yensa ase yakwaye ene yensuo.
The place is damaged. We want to reclaim it. Now some people's theory is that now that you should get them that's not reclamation. No. Reclamation is what you are looking at. You come in and you work and you fill in, pump out the water, turn it green and plant trees. That's what we are doing. And nananum you better mo say. First say nananum mo ba no say aban adwuma ya o de asi nani mo gina chire papa. Na mo nyina mo beka ye ho na ye nsase nyina say no agi we sure say e ba ne sa na ye nye ne kwa aban onchi mining adwuma no enye so chi o aban say ekwan papa bia ye fa so ye be ye ni ya ye nse ye nsuo ye nse ye nsase no ye select ha ye close to forest reserve there so wo twam wo ha na wo ye Ghana ni na wa koma kura ha apart from that na gas pipelines affect omo it was a very critical area to
I na ha twen papa eni a wote yo no ene ye Minister for Lands and Natural Resources Honorable Kofi Amaboa ena wote ne nkan na no wachi ena sentiment amusuafo me wo fa se Dr. Frank onumnyamfo ma akwahene okobi na ono so de nsam tudwa e kire mu sem wo mbe yo mafam de o meye bia ataya pan ena afin so soafo a ohwe yensa ase na o mema dodode so abo mo ho pan se be ya yensa ase ahodo nipa bi enam koti kwan so ese no ombetumi esi ho kwan na o kire ma Ghana mampeni echirifu magudie tu Ghana mampeni ne je ho na momu no utunu kwampa so a onu ne hadbom ho moden se mbetumi aka mo ho aboma ya akuakuo na makona aban mo nkrata na mbatufu magudie kwampa so dan se modem opebe kwa se yansa ase na yakwaye eba ne se nye afin so de abaso bokase pam edbo ni mond Ghana wadwumadin a mobo editai abanyachire.
You were first year of 2025 now. Near the palm illegal miners in the Dona. I feel the Bacon area no. What the bar say, young quiet before so. And Sasia saying the everything you reclaiming. The best then I shouldn't go punch down and say, when you are put the petition, one for the bear 4 months in the annual 10 Rantiano, Igumwa, Oman 9 months, supported by Edmond Ghana. Our Mabuaya over 320 acres of land, or hectares of land. Mabuaya Mayatimi, I am Fefa, would do her. I had the package. First, not to say, first, not dead them. I'm not to say the moon and Tantai, and media national. And the way Edge says, you can't hubumwa. Near time minister, Chinia Tire by Nature. I buy no wape passe, and Sasia saying, Yabua, near to me, I reclaim him. Said the minister, can you see mine and no? You didn't say Mamma Bruno Juma. Now, so by so, yeah, Nama, what you man, dear. And she say, I'm buying a dear Guhono. This hour, the share no so. That's a cooperative mining. Monka Mum, Nipa 15. More ready, cooperative. More ready, star. Mama, you, Yabba Mamma, baby, Mubet tour, and Penfoba Bois church, the Mamon say assassin.
And no, any assassin amongst any biocram. Any I would ye a sentiment temuswa for Onunyam for Dr. Frank, a Marco Hene and I would tin na ne kwakramo no na banam sini edema de hia wonom ewo amanse south mensenem oniminyam for Benjamin Mafo edesem to dwa kire mi se eyamane a wahuru ne bra wa brepa chese oye na fam de de abonsa asane ho ban pe nenne no no ane menseremu fo tatai no an mato ahye yeso na ona bo tatai se wo de atwen 2028 ye beti tesikoko de akire ne sipa o kirema wantimi ana da kwapem ra yankomampani man di bebepem ne ontumi nawo ehunehuna nko ante se de oswafo na gasa bande
Today I'm very happy for this visit. In fact, when the project started, there were a whole lot of pressure, demonstration upon demonstration. People were saying DC had brought soldiers, a whole lot of things. I couldn't have sleeping. I couldn't sleep. A young, fresh DC, just 3 months in office, pressure mounting on me. A lot. So I'm happy that the community, they have seen you, the minister himself. So they understand that it is not my making, it is a government project. A whole lot of people, even people around me, are in here. I'm happy. I will sleep. That's the word.
But look at the land.
Yes.
Isn't this?
I free na kwa de na de obeda pam. Eni ya wuti ye eye district chief executive at the Madisha one more Amasia South Messenim ewa Santimantemo. Onim nyamfo Benjamin Mafu. Na mane boy ya mane boni Samuel Ofuliboaten ene difri Asantimantemo. Ebesom ye nyina we so na yekenka madwen kire ne tew na yemfa kasebo no emfansi. Me wa fase Sweet Elizabeth e de aba no so ma ya ha my darling dia na ekọ so da bia nkwanhia e kasen ohwe live edi free Lebanon zone 4 master plan junior kentampo de aba no wo ma good afternoon dear news keep up the good work nyame nhira mo plan was greeting to hwana mo panyama ne yawo ejakon Bono East regional first vice chairman hopeful pa mate na me wa fase Barbara Kranten ehwe live edi free ejoso Osenchi akese nkoma Nhyiraba Agyei Sikapa mate ochre aguna nkum dia ba na was good afternoon please ohwe live edi free nkum dear news is the best greetings enko emfama was incoming MPP national chairman Mr. John Boadu eye adwen kese pa ochre aguna nkum ho no di free a ote eba sanse na kofi parliament di bia ba na was odogana pa dear news edemu fua in fact otie yempa edi free aguna Bobby Kuma apa me wafa ko parliament ewia mechiao kabute ayeta dia ba na so hwe life edi free poli dear in fact you do all God bless you power dwumade amobo ne kasebo emu ota modo sum ewia so yeda munyina se ewia emu dwane kasebo no ye di si na o me ye ka mo se yakopon ya atoma se de emu ne mo no on the 13th of this very month ye kwatema o ye tam DLFM fidie ne nyina kwatema ehu entimu hye ho pa dwumade ne beto dwa wo fiada edi animu yi ne na wotwe pepe next week Friday 13th February 2026 ebeto dwa watema TMA Tema Metropolitan Assembly hwa na dwumadie no beto dwa mo car park hono mam the senti DLFM ye ba pa Tema community 1 to 25 do wenya pram ene ahama ne potem nyina munyina mehia honom na dwumadie no ntumi enkonkane na yesra mo se mo ba mo nhya ne so se DLFM dwumadie nyina bedi ne honom bi ene da so ho mo bi e ba so ye kurekure mu ba DLFM news ye tuatua DLA1 na Adjoa Agyei na pamfo ba aben wa hard drive and afin so awoso DJ afi ba nwuma betwa agu no enya simikuma ba benya kwanya na wonso aka aboso asane ma ha wo no magana mpanifo nso ate wonka da chane to say aboafo no ye frame condoms and afin so chrome pub and sound masters na fa eso ya sna yakopɔ ya atoma efede be na wotwetema eho be ye de pam na asa be so no we dey mensere me wofa na Adjoa Agyei no ma just 2 minutes pe na yemfanya birthday ne yenso no konwa so kofi fa awode edi kan ne koma me wofa so ne din ede Kendrick osai minta eco school ewo Advantage Academy eno no kronom ewo Santimantem nti we dey ono ane mame Teliza eye asoma ne no kire ma ne ba Kendrick osai minta ene wa wodante yakopon kire opa onte ne mu fa nkire na onfa mfra adomo enko adomum Kendrick osai minta eco school ewo Advantage Academy kronom wo ma Teliza na osi emfa woda so nko we emfa emam awode de ho bio ekọ ediama o Mr. Senyo wo wasa eye beposo ene ya opede so adamfo ne den ede eye Banasco journalist ewo eye wasa Memphis East ene wase ne wa wode ndisidia yakopon hira opa wodaro nya de soronko ommo ho ban de be ya atamfo agina tu yakopon ema ne nyina empare so happy birthday go to you Mr. Senyo wo wasa beposo we efri Banasco yensem training ewa wasa Memphis East ne kwakura asamba badabi we so ekọ diama adwuma wura ona dabi eyawurama urada ekọ diama ewurama wadanse asokwa na Samuel Folibo aten otonkra amade ye kasebo ewa Santimantem no chire mam ewurama opewasem wadanse asokwa na ye wawodenti me wafa si ewurama yi twide amponyankopon hyira ne ma onfa nka ho onpagya mfra adom kwa adom yedie ne kwantenten na twide amponyankopon onfa ema wo so happy birthday go to you ewurama wo wadanse asokwa wei every Samuel Ofolibo atenchen no se yemfa awoda wei ema ne kwakura mo no Libia boga me am wafa se de aba no se na danfo pa ne den at the Mr. Enquires Kwesi Open na Mr. Enquires Kwesi Open no ono no oye facilities executive ewo Kotoka International Airport ebebe se din na baba na Accra International Airport ho na oye adwuma ne senti ene na woda de wasra de ama no ya pomuden pam ene wachi nso ne ahunya de yakopon fam wabutire kuram wei every enku eye latwu na o se yanka nkire senior man Mr. Collins Ekwesi Open a woyɛ facilities executive ɛwɔ Kotoka International Airport senior Yamishra woda no ɔtena ne mfancho no yidie ne kwatenten na twede amponyakopɔn ɔmfa mɔ abotire Libya Boga ene pia so de ba ya Mr. Anku Laku na se yɛmfa woda we ɛmfa ma ka se bɔne yɛ de asi emusemufoɔ ne yɛ Maze Mabel antwene sɛ mu ɛde ɛma yɛn Champion Taylor ɛde ekopiem go Facebook and af YouTube makasebɔ no wenya bi ɛhwɛ yɛm DJ Zikibi echinchim efre no from adesum ya wiai akenkafo ye mienu edi amegye so yo wofa ɔse ade ayo de wan Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
yes so a me wofa ase na Adjoa Siki na pamfo ba betena sam dia adwumadi no abetoa so dia so me mu nyina mo anitia ade